Australian dollar this week has made a breakout to the downside, and we can see that the price was bouncing back up, trying to reach higher price level with this candle. Then on the next day, on the Tuesday, the price could not reach higher price level, making a breakout, but it has reached this lower side of this supply zone. Then on a Wednesday the price returned back down, so the bounce between these support and resistance levels has continued, and something happened on the Thursday. On the Thursday we can see that the price made a breakout to the downside, we can see this week, and then returning back up in the same day, which has suggested that there is a strong bullish pressure here preventing the price moving down. So this bullish pin bar was some kind of a signal that the price could move to the higher price level. And this has happened. We can see that the price was trying to reach higher price levels and reach 0.66, and on a Friday something has happened. The price has been took below this support level, below 0.654, and it has closed below, which means this is a bearish breakout on the daily time frame. Now let's go on the weekly and see how this looks. For several weeks the price is dropping in value. So the price in the previous week has stopped at just this support level and did not make close below these candles body low. And then this week the price has made a breakout to the downside, where we can see that the price has closed below this support level, which means this is bearish breakout also visible on the weekly time frame. So we have two bearish breakouts. First one is on the daily and the second one is on the weekly. Now let's go and see what happens on the monthly time frame. The previous month has closed as a bearish, and we can see the month before that has made a bullish breakout to the upper side. And in the previous week analysis I have mentioned that this bullish breakout has been failed because the price did not continue to rise in value, but it has returned back down inside this downtrend channel. This means that the price will try to reach lower levels, and that means the first level was here around 0.64. So what we can make as a conclusion for the monthly time frame, I am expecting that the price will drop in value, will continue to fall down, and the first support level is this one here, which is 0.64. And below that, if the price makes a breakout, very possibly on the weekly and also daily time frame, the next level where the price could stop is this one, 0.64, and then 0.636. So these are the levels, 0.6, just a minute, 0.647, 0.642, and so on and so on. This is the overview how this looks on the monthly time frame, and this is something that I'm expecting. So let's go on the weekly. After the price makes breakout below, this breakout needs to be confirmed next week. So I'm expecting that the price will try to reach 0.654 here, and then bouncing back down, closing the next week also below this price level. The final target is that the price do not close above 0.65, which will mean that the weekly bearish breakout has been failed, and then the price could continue to rise in value. Now on the daily time frame it is much more visible. So we have a daily breakout that needs to be confirmed with the next candle not returning back up above 0.65. So on Monday I'm expecting that the price will make a bounce up and come to very close to 0.65 and not closing the day above. So there is a possibility that the price will return back up and then continue to fall even more down. So this is the scenario that I'm expecting, and where the price could stop is this one, 0.646, which was visible on the monthly, and we have seen on the weekly time frame. This is the first support level where the price could stop, and this is the area where I'm expecting the price will reach next week. If the price makes a breakout to the downside, this will mean also a triggering going even more down, but until the price reaches this area I'm not moving very fast. But if the price reaches very fast this area in the next week, I will make the daily analysis inside the trading community and I will share what is the target. I will also check what happens on a Monday, how the price will behave after this bearish breakout has happened. So if you would like to check what is the next target, if something happens, if there is any signal that is pointing in any direction, I will share that inside the trading community. The link will be below in the description, so you can check for yourself and join if you would like. So this is all for today analysis. For the weekly, for the next week, I'm expecting the price will drop in value, so we'll see what happens. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.